Welcome back to fxfw.com. In this video, I am routing Google Pixel. For routing, the phone bootloader must be unlocked. In the previous video, I unlocked the bootloader. Watch it first. Then we need a flash file. We also make a video on flashing, so watch them also. Now I am routing, so go to Google Pixel. Here is the article of how to flash Google Pixel. So click and scroll down. Every single tool you will be find in how to root tape. We need a Magisk Manager, a platform tool, and a flash file. So all are available in this tab. So one by one we will check everyone. There is a screenshot of how it's look. Now we will download the Magisk and SDK and a flash file. So I already download all of them, so let's go to screen and see how to root Pixel 4a. So first of all we need a image file of boot, so we will take them from the original file of flash. So here is the image zip file, so I will be open this and take out the boot image file from the original file. Now we need to install the Magisk, so you can install simple copy to the phone and install it, and I will be use platform tool, so you can also use this method. Both are working. So in the top bar we will type cmd, like this. Now we will type to install the Magisk APK, so I will use adb install -d and drag and drop the APK like this. Now go to phone for watching how it works. So sorry for lagging. Now click install. The APK will be display here. Here is the Magisk APK, so open this. Now copy the boot file to phone, download. So original boot will be copied to the phone, so I will open the Magisk. Now click on the Magisk install, select the path. So in the download we put the original boot image, so I will go to phone storage and download. Click the boot image, and Magisk will be patch the image. So now we will take out the Magisk patch image from the phone to the PC. disconnect the phone and reconnect for visible the page file. So I will disconnect the phone and reconnect. Now go to file transfer. Select the file transfer and now copy the Magisk page image from download to our PC like this. Now I'm going to flash the page image to phone, so I will reboot this to bootloader. ADB reboot bootloader. You will find the command also here, so don't worry for this commands. Now the phone is boot to bootloader. Now I am going to flash the page image, so I will type fastboot flash boot space and drag and drop the page image. Now enter. It will take some time, little bit, and now we will type fastboot reboot or simply boot from the volume key. So boot the phone and let's see our phone is rooted or not. Here is our application will be displayed, so wait for it. Now the phone is booted perfectly. Now open the Magisk. Open Magisk Manager, so we will see the phone is rooted or not. So here is our Magisk and the phone is rooted. So for testing and confirmation we will try ADB shell. Now we will type su, so it will display super user like this, so that is root perfectly. I hope you liked the video. See you in the next video.